I'll check it out, man. So they actually glow in the dark too. Man, these are amazing, and he makes these. These are awesome. This is really gnarly, man. I like this. Kind of looks like a hot dog, a thumb, piece of skin, foreskin. That is so cool. Oh my goodness, look at this stuff, guys.
Yeah, those are really cool.
And this is from Creatures of Decay. And this is where you can get information and everything like that. Or maybe you could scan the QR code through my video. So you guys scared? This is very creative.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
I'm pretty much just stocking up for that show.
And where is that?
Anaheim.
Oh, okay, you're going back to California.
Oh, that's where you're from, California?
No, I just got a big show out there.
This is Brown Spooky Laters. Until next time, y'all stay spooky, my friends.